Hello guys, I am BHADURI and I am here today to tell you guys that how to make or earn money from Instagram. If you have established yourself as a creator on Instagram, then there are various ways in which you can monetize your presence. Instagram allows you to earn money, and the ways in which you get to know how to earn money are: so the first thing is brand partnership. As a content creator, you can partner with any brands to promote their services and product. Instagram has placed some restrictions on sponsored content that you will have to follow. The average revenue you earn from sponsored content is usually determined based on your existing follower count and engagement rate. So number 2 is promote affiliate link. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission for promoting other companies' products and services. As a content creator, you can partner with brands or affiliate marketing networks like Commission Junction to promote various products and services relevant to your audience. You can promote affiliate links via your bio, caption, videos and posts to your audience. Most content creators would agree that affiliate marketing is among their strongest channels to make money from Instagram in India. So the third thing is sponsored content. Brands usually collaborate with Instagrammers to promote their products and services. Unlike brand partnerships, such deals are more transactional in nature. As a content creator, you will be expected to promote a post or video to create awareness for the brand that you are partnering with. Unlike brand partnership, such deals are usually managed by marketing agencies that work with the brand. The average revenue per post, again as mentioned earlier, is determined by the number of followers and engagement rate. The fourth thing is shopping. If you have a product that you want to sell on Instagram, the platform allows you to set up a store. This requires you to create an Instagram for business account and create a product catalog. Once you have set up your product catalog, you can promote it by making all your content shoppable. Instagram also provides rich insight on your store's performance. You can also promote your store with Instagram ad in case you have your own website. Shopping will continue to grow as one of the best channels to make money from Instagram in India. The fifth thing that you can do is fan membership and exclusive content. Patreon is a membership platform that allows artists and creators to earn a monthly income by providing rewards or perks to their subscribers. The easiest way to promote the Patreon link is by placing in your Instagram bio. Additionally, the Patreon link can be also placed in your posts and stories published on the platform. Another effective way to promote your Patreon account is to conduct a giveaway contest. When setting rules for the contest, you can specify that the followers has to opt for the Patreon membership to be eligible for the contest. The Patreon account can be utilized to publish long-form videos including tutorials, step-by-step guides, and behind-the-scenes content from your channel. The sixth way to earn money from Instagram is by licensing your photographs and videos. As a content creator, you can license your photographs and videos to select brands. If a brand chooses to use your photographs or videos, they are obligated to pay you a fee to use them. If you register your content under Creative Commons, this allows people to use your work with attribution. Under Creative Commons, you have different type of license which determine how the image can be used. The seventh thing is consulting. As an influencer, you can share your knowledge and expertise with other content creators to help them build their audience. Brands, small business and individuals looking to optimize their online presence on Instagram are always looking for Instagram consultants. As the platform grows in size, there will be an increasing need for consultant as most creators are clueless about how to make or earn money from Instagram. So number 8 is IGTV Ads. IGTV has become a powerful way to connect with your audience. With IGTV Ads, creators, you can earn money from the content you produce. When you monetize content on Instagram, you provide brands the option to promote themselves within the video you post. How much you earn will be determined by the number of views your videos produces, called monetizable plays. Once advertising is enabled, new monetization metrics may be found in Insight. Number 9 is badges. With badges in live, your community can support you as you earn money from the content you have previously created. Badges are subject to the same regulations as live. When supporters purchase badges, you will notice a heart next to their username. Additionally, you may view the total number of badges purchased and your revenue. To view your revenue in greater detail, hit view during your live video. Alternatively, you may view your total badge count by visiting badges settings at any time after the event. So guys, as a content creator on Instagram, you must comply with the platform content monetization policies to be eligible for monetization. If you were unaware of the rules, please take your time reading and understanding them well. Ultimately, as an Instagrammer, how you can earn is purely dependent on how well you can engage your audience. So yeah, that's it guys. See you and thank you.